If we talk about reptiles like snakes, they sure have the power to scare away young adults. Not only are they scary looking but also venomous, leading to fatal death. Talking in numbers, there are more than 3,000 species of snakes out there in the world and have the potential to hide away for 100 years. Today we will be catching up on the 10 thin on the ground snakes in the world. Let's get going. Don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon for more spooky content. Number 10. Horned Desert Viper. To everyone watching and living near deserts, this is a heads up to you because this one is quite dangerous. Can you even imagine a snake with horns? That would be super scary. The horned desert viper is a very rare snake that can occasionally be spotted in deserts of North Africa. The snake sparked the imagination of ancient civilizations, and it's thought that this was the snake of choice for Cleopatra to end her life. The horned desert viper can be deadly. Its venom is made of 13 different toxins and that can cause hallucinations, mental disorders, organ failure, hemorrhaging, and even death. That is the last thing I wanted to hear today. I've got to be honest, scarily you probably wouldn't see until it was too late. They bury themselves into the sand with just their eyes and horns poking out as they wait to strike. Number 9. The white slaty grey. A very rare white snake was found in northern Australia in 2017 and it turned out to be an albino. The rare slaty grey snake, which are usually dark brown, was leucistic. This means that its scales were lacking pigment and it had a regular black eye. Albino animals are lacking all pigment and have red eyes. The snake was a very rare find indeed and was put in quarantine to keep it away from other snakes, while the slaty grey will bite if cornered. They aren't venomous, although it's noted that they will emit a pungent smell if they're angry. The rare white serpent seems to be the only one of its kind. I don't know how to identify it in a white background. Number 8. Three-eyed snake. In May of 2019, a three-eyed snake was found on an Australian highway and rescued by Northern Territory Parks and Wildlife Service. The rare snake was discovered near the town of Humpty Doo. Seriously, that's an actual real place. Shout out to anyone watching from Humpty Doo. The baby carpet python sadly passed away shortly after it was found. The cyclops snake had been struggling to eat because of its deformity. One of the rangers who found the snake called the discovery peculiar. Number 7. The Albany adder. This incredibly rare and incredibly poisonous adder was found after a search team physically went on a mission to go look for it. There have only ever been 12 recorded sightings for an Albany adder in history, and the last time it had been seen was around a decade before the rediscovery. It has a very unique and threatening look. I don't really like that purple tongue. It isn't quite as menacing as the horned desert viper, but it is up there. The poisonous snake was found in South Africa, but the exact location is being kept under wraps in case it encourages poachers. Grant Smith of the Endangered Wildlife Trust said that the team of researchers were very happy and excited on finding the snake and literally jumped up and down. I'm not sure I would have been that enthusiastic though. After all, this snake, like other adders, is thought to be deadly. However, just how toxic the serpent's venom is unknown. There are so few of these snakes in existence that we haven't been able to study them too closely. Number 6. Eastern Mississauga rattlesnake. The US state of Michigan only has one venomous snake and it's very rare. The Eastern Mississauga rattlesnake almost never puts in an appearance and is considered to be a threatened species. So imagine how surprised you'd be if one showed up on your kayak paddle. In May of 2019, Jonathan and Jessica Hoffman were on a 14-hour fishing trip in Cleveland Lake in Michigan when the rare snake cut through the water. The 29-inch long poisonous serpent ended up on their boat paddle. Look at how thick it is. It seems the married couple and seasoned fisherman weren't scared though. They said they were excited to see such a rare and beautiful snake with their own eyes. They discovered the snake is calm. It sounds like they got lucky. Number 5. Antiguan Racer. At the time the serpent was awarded the Guinness World Record for the rarest snake in the world in 2004, there were only 115 Antiguan racer snakes in existence. The snake was actually thought to have gone extinct at one point following the introduction of the non-indigenous Asian mongoose and invasive European black rats. A group of the snakes were later found on Great Bird Island off the coast of Antigua, which is the only place that can be found today. Since 2004, they have been making a comeback, which is great for the snake, although it's still considered critically endangered. This snake isn't a threat to humans though. Number 4. The Lined Blind Snake. This snake is pretty much on the mystery side as it hasn't been seen since a long time. Scientists assumed that the serpent had gone extinct, but it was seen again in October of 2019. Sadly, the snake was found dead on a bike trail in Singapore, but it proved the animals are still out there somewhere. The snake is thought to be burrowed and underground in soft tropical soil, which is why they are not regularly seen by humans. This is also why the snake is blind. Spending most of their lives underground, they don't need eyes. This can be confusing for some people who see the creature as the snake looks a bit like a giant black worm. The lined blind snake was found in Bukit which is Singapore's oldest patch of primeval forest. Number 3. St. Lucia Racer. St. Lucia racer snakes are more endangered with just 18 of the animals left in the world. This is officially the rarest snake in the world, and a lot like the Antiguan racer was nearly brought to total annihilation by an invasive mongoose. This snake lives on a 30-acre island in the Caribbean and was thought to have gone extinct in 1973. The snake feeds on lizards, and like its Antiguan counterpart, it's harmless to humans. The snakes are quite small brown in color and are actually kind of cute. Well, this tells how mongooses are actually thriving by killing all the rare snakes in dinners. Number 2. Short-nosed sea snake. The short-nosed sea snake, also known as the Sahul reef snake, is confined to a small area of the coast of northwest Australia. The snake has only ever been found in 2 reefs, the Ashmore Reef and the Hibernia Reef, both of which are under threat. The water snake has a unique look to it and gets its name from its squashed head and pointed little snout. Scientists are worried that these snakes may have nearly died out. None have been seen in years. The last confirmed sighting was in December of 2015. The snake is a purplish color and measures around 2.5 feet long. However, if you see one, it's best to keep your distance. As they are venomous, it's thought that the breakdown of the coral in their habitat has led to their decline, as well as leading to other ecological collapses. Number 1. Double Dave. Although there are absolutely zero chances for a human to come across a 2-headed snake in his entire lifetime, but in case you do, consider yourself lucky. In September of 2019, a double-headed rattlesnake nicknamed Double Dave was found in a forest in the US state of New Jersey. Double Dave is a venomous pit viper that has 2 fully formed heads with 2 brains. Does that mean there is a double chance of being attacked? Double Dave is 10 inches long and growing, but the scientist who found him, Dave Schneider, claimed the snake wouldn't live long as it's likely the 2 heads would fight each other off for food, not realizing they share a digestive system. The scientist didn't see that, I guess. The condition of having more than 1 head is called polycephaly and is known to occur across the animal kingdom in very rare cases. Double Dave isn't the only two-headed snake found in the wild. In 2018, a California king snake was found and put on display at the Reptile Expo in Switzerland. And that would be all we have for today's video, people. If you enjoyed watching this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to The Unleashed for daily spooky content. And why don't you comment down below what were your experiences with snakes? Until next time, keep vibing.